How to be an interesting person. You're probably selling yourself short if you think you're a boring person with a boring existence.
When it comes to relationships, these ideas may be holding you back more than anything else. If you believe these myths, you'll be less inclined to invest time and effort in making new friends, and you'll be less likely to open up to the people you do meet. If you want to create deep relationships with other people, you might need to change your mentality as well as your conduct. No one wants to be around someone boring. Boring people are always overshadowed by more interesting individuals. If you want to be interesting, you have to be creative and put in the effort. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Being interesting is something that can be learned and practiced. It's not about having a lot of money or being famous. It's about being open to new experiences and having a lot to say. Some ways to become more interesting are to read a lot, travel to new places, try new things, and meet new people. It's also important to be curious and ask questions. People are drawn to interesting people because they are always learning and growing. The best approach to being an interesting person has less to do with our job or accomplishments and more to do with how sensitive we are to our eccentricities. Researchers have found you are more likely to attract friends by demonstrating the following traits and qualities. Being friendly, kind, good listener, showing genuine interest in others and welcoming. Being authentic, honest, trustworthy and genuine. Having a reputation for being a good person, being competent in what they say and do. Being able to use empathy to understand and connect with people. Having the ability to identify the feelings, needs, and wants of others. Maintaining relevance by staying in contact, showing up, and offering help when needed. Be open-minded and accepting of different points of view. Be interested in other people and their stories. Be passionate about the things you care about and try out new things and ideas. Be a good listener. Be patient and compassionate with your friends.